Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, February 10th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWMN, triple Qs. First and foremost, I'd like to thank, I always ask people to like and subscribe to my channel and recommend it to family, friends, co-workers. I don't know, yesterday I saw, I always look at my videos, saw my subscriber base bumped up by about 40 or 50 in one day. So I'd really like to thank whomever is doing that. I truly appreciate it. I hope these videos do help. We try to be non-biased and give both sides of the market to give people an edge, not only in their trading, but what the market's doing as far as their investments for the bigger picture. So thank you very much. Okay, 75 minutes to go prior to the open. I do this video before the CPI because I have things to do over the last hour prior to trading. But whatever game plan we give is going to be for now and once that number comes out. Pre-market high right now is 458.02. In SPY, 456 is the low. We all went out with price probes, as you can see. Right now, we're all trading basically above value, but below the base of the price probe. Triple Qs are the closest to the top of it. Look, bottom line is this. The algos are going to react to whatever the number is. I think it's pretty meaningless because I think the Fed basically knows what they're doing. This, whatever these numbers are, right? I mean, they have their own little agenda. So, but these algos are going to react. So, if we are to open in balance, in value, that's the worst of your risk-reward trades. There's no real trade there. If we open below the base of the price probe, which is K in SPY, K in Russell, it's K for all of us. Well, then if you are to push up, you can take a short because where there were buyers, we'll see if they're sellers now, and you can use today's high as your out. That's a short play. Any acceptance back into yesterday's value, we should go trade at our 10 wide POC. Very visual. Same with Russell, they should trade down to 11. Qs were only 7, but they had an afternoon pullback low. Well, actually, their afternoon pullback low wasn't until F. So, again, they could have more of a downward move if this disappoints. The bulls are in control right now. What will stop that is if we take out yesterday's low and put the daily into balance, right? We exploded above our 4-day balance with a very nice gap. Now that gap generally would be very difficult to fill, but if the market and these algorithms are really agitated by whatever comes out, it could fill. So if you take out yesterday's low, your daily is back in balance. And then we see if they're going to have the ability to fill the gap. If we take out yesterday's high, the daily continues up, and more importantly, we closed just below that 458.12 level. We never took it out, and I'll show you on the chart how important that is because we have been making lower highs, and that would break that. So again, short against K's high if we open below there. If we gap higher, we should set off some fireworks because not only do you have that weekly high, you then have another daily high about 60 cents higher and then two more about $1 higher. So you can get some push up to around the 460 level, which would also put us, guess what, right at the 50-day moving average, right? We finally overcame the 200 and the 20. Next is the 50. So any push above yesterday's high, I'd be looking for longs, unless in the next hour we gap a lot higher. If we gap a lot higher, that's a different story. If we get anywhere near 460, I'd probably take a short the first time against the 50-day moving average. And then just quickly on the chart, we'll show you that on the daily. So here it is. We finally broke above this trend line. Here's your three lower highs, the all-time high, that one, and this one from February 2nd. Bulls want to stay above yesterday's low and continue to the upward movement in the daily. Bears want to at least take out yesterday's low, put us into balance, and preferably to close the gap and get acceptance back into this 4-day balance. Good luck trading again. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Check us out at CamelbackTrading.org. Enjoy your day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.